Hey everyone, good morning. The last part which I mentioned yesterday, of course, it's a very cold morning, but I want to share this with you because it's a very important topic because many people are still having trouble with the settings with the brake. So the last topic which I mentioned yesterday was regarding the twin cam system, the front brake twin cam. So I'm going to share that information from cast iron. There are some other things also, but in this series I'll be posting up this much only because I have to deliver the bike. So just in case if another vehicle comes out and if some other problems are there in that vehicle, then definitely we are going to share that information with new problems what they are facing. So stay connected.